Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can complete a daily turn transaction on MemeFi and receive a massive reward. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see N. You can see the N icon right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to scroll down. So let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see where it is written daily turn transaction. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here, daily check-in on turn. Complete a daily turn transaction and receive massive rewards. You can see it right there. I'm going to be receiving 25 million coin and also 500 spins. So guys, now for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written connect wallet. So guys, let me tap on connect wallet so I can proceed with the process. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, connect your wallet. So guys, now you can see they have different wallets right there. You can see we have wallet in Telegram. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. We have Turn Keeper, My Turn Wallet, BitGet. You can see, let me tap on view more wallet, view all wallet. So guys, now you can see these are the various wallets that we have here. You can see they are actually numerous. So what you have to do now is to choose the one that you know you have some amount of turn inside. So whichever one that you have turn inside, you have to select it. So guys, now in my case, I have some turn in my Telegram wallet. So what I'll do now is to tap on Telegram wallet. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on it, or I can simply go back. Let me go back. I can simply tap on where it is written open wallet in Telegram. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see my wallet is opening. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. MemeFi Club wants to connect to Turn Space. So what I'll do now is to tap on connect to give MemeFi the permission. So let me tap on connect. Then what I'll do now is to input my password, my wallet password, this to confirm that I'm actually the owner of this wallet. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, can see now connected. So let me go back now. So guys, now you can see I'm back to this place. So what I will do now is to tap on complete. You can see now you can now find complete right there. What used to be there was connect wallet, but now you can find complete. So let me tap on complete. So guys, now you can see again my Telegram wallet is opening up. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see the details of the transaction. You can see my turn balance. You can see it right there. I have 1.847 ton, and you can see the transaction. The transaction is 0.2 ton. So guys, now what I will do now is to tap on confirm. So let me go ahead now to tap on confirm. Then what I will do next now is to input my wallet password, is to confirm that I'm actually the owner of the wallet, like I said earlier on. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Wow guys, can now see completed. So guys, this is how you can be able to complete a daily turn transaction on MemeFi. You can see my coin balance has increased and also my spin number has increased. You can see it has increased to 1000. What used to be there was 0. I bought this daily turn transaction 2 times. That's why you can see 1000 right there. What is supposed to be there was 500, but I bought it twice. I didn't show you guys that. I just showed you guys how I was able to do just once. So guys, now you can see I have 1000 spins and my balance has increased. So guys, now this is how you can be able to do it, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.